Hi everyone, this is Brandon with Recast Software, and today I just wanted to quickly show you one of my favorite reports in Endpoint Insights. That report is computers without an application. You can use this to quickly see if machines have software that is out of date by looking for a lack of the most recent version. For our example, we're going to use Recast Agent. So we're going to select the application name, which is Recast Agent, click OK, and then we're going to select the most recent version. As of today, that's 4.8.2110.10.801. So click OK. And then we're going to select a collection that should all have the most up-to-date agent installed. View report, I'll make it full screen. And we can quickly see all the computers that lack the most recent install of Recast Agent. So if the agent is installed already, you can see the version on the right. If it's not, you'll see NA. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.